Stop scrolling. A brand new audio streaming app just launched yesterday and people are already talking about it. The name of this app is Dream Party, and according to the developers, users can join voice rooms, make new friends, complete tasks, and potentially earn rewards while having But the fun. Question is Dream Party really worth your time? Or is it just another audio app making big promises? In today's video, I will show you everything you need to know about Dream Party, how it works, how to get started, and whether it's legit or not. Make sure you watch until the end because I will also share some important things that can help you get the best experience on the app. Click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you to Play Store where you will download this app. After downloading it, sign in with your Google account. The app will open. Once it's open, click on Me. Then you will see where they will ask you to do your face authentication. All right, you do it. But before then, click on Host Center. Once you click it, they will ask you to join agency. So click on Apply. Then put my invitation code as you're seeing it on the screen right now, 2008935. Then you will see my name, Desire Agency. You join. After joining the agency, then you come back to me and click on Verify Now and do your face authentication. After doing your face authentication, the next thing is to create your room. But before then, this is the tax. In your first 1 hour, you receive 25,000 coin. In your second hour, you receive another 25,000 coin, making it 50,000 coin per 2 hours. And that is it. Their minimum withdrawal is 1 million coins, which is $10. So each day they reward the users with 50,000 coins. Yeah, for straight 7 days. So this is how to do your face authentication. So make sure that you are staying in a very bright environment. Make sure that you look good. If you're a female, make sure that you put bonnet or wig, apply weightless or lipstick so that you will look good. If you're a man, make sure that you brush your hair very well. Look at the screen. Whichever one they're telling you, please turn your head to the right, turn your head to the left, blink your eyes, do this, do that. Make sure that you get those things correctly. Make sure that your face is fixing at the center of the screen. This way, your face authentication will be approved, because a lot of people are complaining that their face authentication is not approving very fast. This is because you are not getting it right. So to get it right, make sure that your face is at the center of your camera and you're looking at the camera to know when they ask you to open mouth, turn right, turn left, blink your eyes, and the rest. Okay, once you got it correctly, they will approve you immediately. Some people, when they try several times, they will tell them their trial, the number of trial for the day is finished, that they should come back tomorrow. So if you don't want to experience this, please make sure that you do it correctly. And here, voila, it was approved because it did it correctly. Are you seeing it? Face authentication successful. So once it's successful, the platform will ask you to restart the app. Then you click on restart to restart the app. All right, so that was what I did here. I click on restart and restart the app so that everything will come back to normal again after the face authentication. So the new day on this app is 10 p.m. Nigerian time. So once you restart the app, it will take you to your email for you to use that same email and log in again. And here they are telling me, congratulations, you are now a streamer. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to go and create our room. So watch carefully so that you will see the places I touched to create my own room. All right, so I was just checking the daily tasks, the whole stars. So take your time, read the things that are written there, the games you need to play to earn some coins, and yeah, the gift you need to gift yourself to earn some coins too. That is what is on daily tasks. So when you complete any of the daily tasks, you receive the rewards that are here right now. Okay, so when you click on your whole stars, then this is it. 1 hour 25,000 coin, second hour 25,000 coins, making it 50,000. So to create your room, you click on home. Once you click on home, you see that thing that looks like house up, you click it. Then it will ask you to put your cover photo. All right, you go to your gallery and bring your cover photo and put, as you can see, I've put my own. The next thing is to write the name of your live stream, whatever you want to caption your live stream. You write it. You can say, let's party together, welcome to my party, welcome to my live. Anything you want to write, you write it. Okay, yeah, then you click on create once you have finished writing. So voila, my room has been created. I see my profile up there. So once I want to enter my room now, I click on my profile, and here is my room. Allow the app to use your microphone. All right, then you click on host, the center one. Take mic, you take mic and sit down in your room. So guys, once you're here, when you click on the box, the last box by your right, this is here, gift icon. Hot is for gift, lucky is for playing gamble, and the rest. Then they also have varieties of game here. All right, their games are returning, their gamblings are returning, so you choose the one that suits you. Just them bum choose to select. Okay, so if you want to minimize, you click on the three dots up there. They'll ask you to allow it to float. All right, so you go to your settings and allow it to be floating, so that when you minimize it, you can carry it and go to your WhatsApp, yeah, and check some things and come back, and it will be reading. So once you leave the mic, they will also show you on the screen that you have left the mic. Then you can go back to the app and yeah, go live again. So I've given it permission, then I can float now. Yeah, are you seeing it? It's floating, so I can go around the app or go out from my app. All right, so that is how to give permission for guys floating. In case you click the link to download this app and it didn't take you to Play Store, copy the link, then go to Play Store and paste it and search it. You will see it. Okay, so guys, this is where to check your coins. You click on your wallet. This one is coin, that when you purchase coin, you see it here. This one is game coin. You can use it and play just normal game with someone, like Lido. Yeah, Lido, I tried it last night and it was fun. Then this is the diamond. Yeah, their withdrawal method is through Binance, USDT, ePay, and through coin seller. So once you click, you choose your country. Like I said, their minimum withdrawal is 1 million, yeah, which is $10. All right, so you can also invite your friends. There are also invitation reward on the app. All right, so once you complete your task, you click on post center and complete. As you can see, I've cleared my task for today. So guys, that's all about Dream Party app. If you have any question, feel free to ask it at the comment section. All right, without no further ado, let's call it a day. Disclaimer: this video is just for educational purpose. I'm sharing my experience on the app that I'm working. Make sure that you make your own research before joining any platform. All right, bye bye guys, see you on my next video.